Session 1, Count On to Subtract. Our learning target for today's lesson is I will relate a subtraction equation to an addition equation. Our success criteria for today's lesson is I can count on to subtract. Now, counting on is a strategy that you can use in order to solve subtraction problems. Key vocabulary: count on. Start with the larger number or the bigger number and count on with the smaller number. For example, if you have 5 plus 3 equals, you would start with, which one's the bigger number? That's right, 5. You would start with 5. And then we would add up 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So we would say 5, and we can use our fingers for this and put 3 out. 5, 6, 7, 8. And we would have 5 plus 3 equals 8. Count on to subtract. Start at the small number and count up to the larger number. So we have 8 take away 3. We would start at the 3 and we would count up to 8. So we would say 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many do I have? You're right, it's 5. So 8 take away 3 equals 5. This is in your workbook. It says subtract in there. Now these are just examples of what you can put inside these examples, but you put in numbers that make sense to you. So 9 take away 6 equals 3, and this is an example of counting up, counting on. 5 take away 3 equals 2. You could also use circles or objects and take some away. The X's mean take away. And then we have 2 more, 1, 2 more. And then we can also just use an equation. We could count back. This is an example of a number line and counting back. In today's lesson, you will complete your workbook pages, and I want you to talk about how you solve the problems with your partner in your house, someone in your house, and here's good examples of how to talk about math. Make sure you work on your iReady, MyPath, and teacher assigned lessons. Have a great day learning.